Narrator. Hello, fantastic English learners, and welcome back to the English Learning Podcast's beginner series. I'm your narrator, and I'm thrilled you're joining us today. Have you ever found yourself needing to know the exact time? Or perhaps someone asked you, "What time is it?" and you weren't sure how to answer in English? Knowing how to ask and tell the time is one of the most fundamental and essential skills in everyday communication. We constantly talk about time. When to wake up, when a class starts, when to meet friends, or when a shop closes. It helps us organize our entire day and coordinate with others. That's why today we're deeply focusing on asking and telling the time in English. We'll explore many different ways to express time, from whole hours to minutes past, minutes to, and using AM and PM. Learning these simple yet crucial questions and phrases will give you a significant boost in your daily conversational skills. In this extensive episode, you're about to hear a natural and easy-to-follow conversation between two friends, Sam and Tina. They will ask each other the time at various points throughout their day, simulating real-life scenarios. You'll hear multiple examples of how to ask and a wide range of ways to respond, covering all the common time expressions. They'll use clear, simple English with repetition, making it easy for you to understand and start telling the time confidently yourself. After their conversation, we'll have a short, active practice session to help you use these new words and phrases yourself. Listen closely to their simple English and the useful vocabulary they use. Get ready to expand your vocabulary and practice listening just by tuning in. Let's dive into the conversation and explore the world of time. Sam: Hi Tina. Good morning. How are you today? I just woke up and my phone ran out of battery during the night, so my alarm didn't go off. I feel a bit lost without it. What time is it, Tina? I hope I haven't overslept too much. Tina: Hi Sam. Good morning to you too. I'm doing really well, thanks for asking. Oh no, that's not good about your phone. Don't worry, you haven't overslept. Let me check my watch for you. Okay, right now it's 7 o'clock in the morning. Exactly 7 o'clock. So it's still quite early. You have plenty of time to start your day slowly. Are you usually an early riser? Sam: It's 7 o'clock? Oh, that's a relief. I thought it might be much later. Thank you so much for telling me. Yes, I usually try to wake up around 6:30 or 7 o'clock. So, I'm right on schedule. It's 7 a.m. then, right? Just to be clear, because sometimes 7 o'clock can be in the evening too. Tina: Yes, that's absolutely right, Sam. It's 7 a.m. That means 7 in the morning. We use am 4 times between midnight and noon. So you're all good for a fresh start to your day. What's the first thing on your agenda this morning? Are you going to have breakfast soon? Sam: Yes, I definitely need breakfast. I'm quite hungry. After breakfast, I have some work to do on my computer. I need to send some important emails and prepare for a meeting later today. I want to start my work at 8:30. So I need to make sure I finish breakfast by then. Okay, I just finished eating my breakfast. That was quick. What's the time now, Tina? I need to make sure I'm on track for my work. Tina: Let me check my phone. Good timing, Sam. You're very efficient. It's exactly 8:15. We can also say it's 8:15. So you have a solid 15 minutes before you plan to start your work. Is that enough time for you to set up your computer and organize your thoughts for the emails? Sam: 8:15? So 8:15. Yes, that's perfect, Tina. Thank you. 15 minutes is plenty of time for me to get everything ready. I like to be organized before I start my tasks. I'll make sure to get all my documents open. My online meeting is later, but I need to prepare for it now. It starts at 11 o'clock. So I have a few hours to work before that. Tina: That's a great approach, Sam. Being prepared always helps. So you have a meeting at 11 o'clock. And you're starting your work now at 8:15. That sounds like a good, productive morning. Are you planning to work straight through until your meeting, or will you take a short break? Sam: I think I'll work until about 10 o'clock, then take a short break to stretch my legs and get a coffee. Then I'll do a final review for the meeting. Okay, I just finished my first block of work and took my coffee break. It was good to step away for a few minutes. I feel refreshed. What's the time exactly now, Tina? I want to know how much time I have until my meeting. Tina: Let me see. Perfect timing for a break. It's 10:40. We can also say it's 20 minutes to 11. So you have exactly 20 minutes until your meeting at 11 o'clock. Is that enough time to do your final review? Sam, 20 minutes to 11? So 10:40. Yes, that's definitely enough time for my final review, Tina. Thank you for the precise time. I just need to quickly check my notes one last time to make sure I remember all the important points. My meeting is scheduled to last for about 45 minutes. So it should finish before noon. Tina, that sounds like a good plan. Good luck with your meeting, Sam. I hope it goes well. So it starts at 11 o'clock and lasts for 45 minutes. That means your meeting should finish around 11:45. Or 11:45. Let me know how it goes. Sam, thanks Tina. It went well. The meeting finished exactly on time. It was productive and we made some good decisions. I feel good about it. Okay, so now my meeting is done and my brain needs a little rest. What time is it right now, Tina? I'm thinking about lunch soon. Tina, great to hear the meeting was productive, Sam. And you're right, your meeting finished right on schedule. It's now 11:45. That means it's 11:45 a.m. So yes, you're definitely thinking about lunch at the right time. What are you planning to have? Sam, 11:45? So 11:45. That's perfect. I usually have lunch around 12:30 or 1 p.m. So I have a little time to prepare something nice. I'm going to make a sandwich and some soup. What about you, Tina? Do you have any plans for lunch or for the early afternoon? Tina, a sandwich and soup sounds delicious, Sam. I'm planning to have some leftovers from last night's dinner. As for the afternoon, I have an appointment with my dentist. It's not until 2:30. So I have plenty of time after lunch. What time are you planning to start preparing your lunch? Sam, I'll probably start preparing lunch in about 10 or 15 minutes. Maybe around 12 o'clock. That way I can eat at 12:30. Okay, my lunch is prepared and I'm about to sit down and eat. I can smell the soup. It smells delicious. What's the time now, Tina? I just want to know how accurate my internal clock is today. Tina, let me check. Wow, your internal clock is very good, Sam. It's exactly 12 o'clock. Noon. So you're right on time to enjoy your delicious lunch. Enjoy your meal. Sam, it's 12 o'clock. So 12 p.m. or noon. Perfect. Thank you, Tina. I will enjoy it. Okay, I just finished my lunch. That was very satisfying. Now I need to clean up the kitchen. After that, I want to read for a little while before my afternoon activities. So after I finish cleaning, what time will it be, Tina? Tina. Okay, Sam, you're very efficient with your cleanup. Let me look. It's 20 minutes past 1. That means it's 1:20 p.m. So you have a good amount of time to read before your next activity. What book are you reading these days? Sam, 20 minutes past 1? So 1:20 p.m. exactly. Thank you. I'm reading a really exciting mystery novel. I can't put it down. I want to read for about 40 minutes and then I need to get ready to leave the house. I have a gym session later. So if I read for 40 minutes from 1:20, that means I'll finish reading around 2 o'clock. Tina, that sounds like a great way to spend the afternoon, Sam. A mystery novel is always fun. And yes, if you read for 40 minutes from 1:20, you'll finish reading at 2 o'clock sharp. That's 2 p.m. So you can then get ready for your gym session. My dentist appointment is at 2:30, remember? I need to leave home soon. Sam, oh right. Your dentist appointment at 2:30. So 2:30 p.m. Good luck with that, Tina. I hope it's a quick and easy visit. Okay, I've finished reading my book for now. I need to get my gym clothes on and head out. What time is it now, Tina? Just before I leave the house. Tina, let me check for you, Sam. Okay, you're doing well with your schedule. It's 25 minutes to 3. That means it's 2:35 p.m. So you should leave for the gym soon. And I need to leave for my dentist now too. See you later. Sam, 25 minutes to 3? So 2:35 p.m. Got it. Thanks, Tina. Yes, I'm heading out now. I'll be at the gym for about 1 hour and 15 minutes. So I should finish my workout around 3:50. After the gym, I'll probably run some errands before heading home. Tina, sounds like a solid workout plan, Sam. And errands after that. Okay, I'm back from the dentist and everything was fine, thankfully. I hope your gym session was great. What time is it now, Sam? I just got home. Sam, hi Tina. Glad your dentist visit was fine. Yes, my gym session was great and I did some errands too. I just got back home myself. Let me check my watch. Okay, right now it's 10 minutes past 5. That means it's 5:10 p.m. So the afternoon is quickly turning into evening. Tina, 10 minutes past 5? So 5:10 p.m. Wow, the day has really flown by. I need to start thinking about dinner soon. I usually like to eat dinner around 6:30. So 6:30 p.m. What about you, Sam? What are your plans for the evening? Sam, yes, the day goes fast when you're busy. I'm also thinking about dinner. I usually have dinner around 7 o'clock. After dinner, I like to relax, maybe watch a movie or read more of my book. Okay, I just finished cooking and eating dinner. The kitchen is clean too. What time is it now, Tina? I'm ready to relax. Tina, let me check. Okay, you're very efficient with your evening routine. It's 20 minutes to 8. That means it's 7:40 p.m. So you have plenty of time for your movie or book now. Anything good on TV tonight? Sam, 20 minutes to 8? So 7:40 p.m. That's perfect for starting a movie. Thank you. I think I'll watch a sci-fi movie tonight. I love sci-fi. I usually watch movies until around 9:30 or 10 o'clock, and then I get ready for bed. So when my movie finishes tonight, I'll be thinking about sleep. Tina, sounds like a great evening plan, Sam. Sci-fi movies are always exciting. Okay, if your movie finishes at 9:30 or 10 o'clock, then you'll definitely be ready for bed. I'm going to do some light reading now too. Sam, okay, my movie just finished. It was excellent. Now I'm ready for bed. I just need to brush my teeth and get ready. What time is it now, Tina? Just before I turn off the lights for the night. Tina, let me look. Okay, you're right on time for your usual bedtime. It's exactly 10 o'clock. That's 10 p.m. So, time to get some good rest for tomorrow. You've been asking for the time all day and you've learned so many ways to say it. Sam, it's 10 o'clock. Wow, the day is truly complete. Yes, I have been asking for the time all day and it's been incredibly helpful. Thank you so much, Tina, for guiding me through it. I feel much more confident about asking and telling the time in English now, no matter what the minutes are. Tina, you're very welcome, Sam. I'm really glad this practice helped you so much. You did a fantastic job using all the different expressions for time. You're a pro now. Get some good sleep. Good night, Sam. Sam, good night, Tina. See you tomorrow. Practice session. Your turn to speak. Narrator. Alright, it's your turn to practice. I'll ask you a question about time. Listen to my question, then say your answer aloud. Try to use the new phrases you heard today. How do you ask someone for the time? Say it now. Good. Now imagine it is exactly 4 o'clock. How do you tell someone the time? Excellent. One more. Imagine it is 7:30. How do you say that time using half past? Another one. What if it's 9:50? How would you say that using to? Narrator. Fantastic work. Now just quickly repeat these 3 important phrases after me. What time is it? Or it's 3:15. Or it's 10 minutes to 6. Narrator. You're doing great. Keep practicing asking and telling the time in English. You'll use this every single day. Conclusion. Narrator. Wow, you've done an incredible job today. You just immersed yourself in a very essential and common skill. Asking and telling the time in English. You can now confidently ask, what time is it? Say the time on the hour, use past, to, and half past, and understand AM and PM. You even practice specific minutes. This is a tremendous step in your English journey. Remember to use these new phrases every day. The next time you need to know the time or someone asks you, try to confidently use these exact phrases in English. Every time you practice, you're building real confidence step by wonderful step. Keep learning, keep speaking. Don't miss our next lesson in the beginner series. Goodbye for now.